So if you're looking for a lawn mowing service, look into DalaCasa's full maintenance program. We will be at the property each week. The mowers will stripe up the lawns nice and neat. They'll then, string trim and edge anything that needs to be hit. They'll then go through all the beds around the foundation of the property. They'll pull weeds, they'll spray weeds that need to be sprayed. And then they'll go through and they'll make sure that the property is completely blown off. They'll start at the back. They'll blow off decks and porches and walkways, around pool decking. They'll work their way up to the front. They'll blow the front of the porch off, work their way out the driveway, load up, and then they'll head to the next job. So one of the questions that we get asked is, do we adjust the deck height? So to answer that, we absolutely adjust that height to maintain the proper turf height. So one of the questions we also get asked is, do we bag our grass clippings? The answer to that is no, we do not. We find it more beneficial to actually break those clippings down into the ground to then be used as nutrients for the turf to feed on. So one thing that we do require our maintenance crews to do each week is to frequently change mowing patterns. We try to relieve compaction, rutting, and also any potential problems that could lead to damages on the property. So if you're looking for a mowing service, look into DalaCasa's full maintenance program. Give us a call today.